Do you like the area that you live in?
Well, I have recently moved to Indira in Adyar. I purchased an apartment here after I got a hike in my company. It is covered by trees on both sides of roads and it's quite sedate. I take pride in myself for buying an apartment here.
Do you know any famous people in your local area?
Actually, I know some people from Exnora and Rotary clubs. I love to get indulged in Exnora's activities like planting saplings and join the Rotary club in its service-oriented activities.
Where do you like to go in that area?
Well, Adyar is quite big. I want to go to Lattice Bridge Road where there are actually merchants of different types. It is a bustling road, but I love to take an evening stroll. It is intriguing to see people roaming busily across the street.
What are some recent changes in your local area?
There are lots of boutiques coming up. Also, I saw a new beauty parlor on my way home last night. And some residents have sold their houses, and flats are being constructed in those places.
Sedate, which is an adjective which means quiet. For example, it was a sedate suburban society. Resident. Resident is a person who lives somewhere permanently or on a long-term basis. For example, it's a beautiful place with just 40 residents. Get a hike. Here, hike means a raise or the amount a salary is increased. For example, he got a 3% raise or he got a wage hike. Indulge. Indulge means to allow yourself or somebody else to have something enjoyable. For example, when I get my first paycheck, I'm going to indulge in a shopping center. Bustling. If a place is bustling, it is full of busy activity. For example, the house usually bustling with activity was strangely silent. Intriguing, which means very interesting because of being unusual or mysterious. For example, an intriguing possibility or an intriguing question.